way from Canada to get the ring dinger. Did you feel any movement with that?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Good, perfect. How about Desponte? You felt was really stunning.
Definitely felt something move down there.
Good.
100%. I definitely felt like a disconnect at the bottom.
It's definitely a quick adjustment. I get that all the time.
It was
People
so
are like,
fast.
They're like, oh, so quick. I'm like, well, that's what it needs to be. I think you moved pretty good
I
there.
was more nervous coming in, if anything.
You did good. I think we got a lot of movement up in here, in the neck and everything, low back, mid back.
It looks worse when you watch it on the video.
It's definitely worse than it is.
But you, like you said, you need to relax.
Yeah, you just gotta relax throughout the whole thing.